Three.
Good day, everybody. I'm Dale Pinkert. I'm the anchor in FX Street's live analysis room. Welcome to our pre-LAR market roundup. Let me get my charts up here. Have a very interesting session developing here. Things have clarified for me. So we'll start off with the S&Ps. Something I talked about last week that a lot of people on Friday thought we were going to take these loads out. I thought we could have opened lower on Tuesday after the long holiday, but my overall game plan was we're going to rally back to the breakdown between 2020, 2040, depending upon futures or cash. And I believe with what I see happening in the euro that a firm dollar can be the catalyst to get us up there into early next week, late this week, viewing that as a shorting opportunity. And then viewing the Dixie, let's take a quick look there. Some type of terminal thrust in the Dixie as well. And then we'll go to our instruments. So we're getting a nice day up here in the dollar. I think Euro's going to take out, I pointed out in LAR yesterday, the confirmed low. So while the S&Ps are rallying, we should make some type of rally attempt here, maybe 97, 97 and a half. I do think that potentially it's going to be a failing rally. And just like the S&Ps, I'm looking for the flash crash low to be taken out. I think the same can happen in the dollar, or at least a correction of this big recovery from 2.5 to 7. That's 450 points. So why not 240 back to 4.5 once we achieve these levels, and looking for the euro to trade possibly under the 110 level, 109.80, 109.20, where I'm going to take position long. So let's get to our instruments now. So I pointed out in LAR yesterday, I asked everybody, this was the day that Draghi made his press conference. He was ultra dovish. The euro went down in an impulsive manner, and I asked the room, what kind of low is that? Because I teach that the real simple implicator, which we most call relative strength index, can give you an indication as to whether a market might be bottoming or topping. And markets rarely bottom when they confirm their low with momentum. This was a confirmed low. So the implication of a confirmed low is there could be another one to follow. So currently short euro, looking for this 1080 level to be taken out. I think we'll trade under the 110 level, and a pretty good buying opportunity setting up there. I talked about favoring the pound over the euro for a little while because EG looked heavy to me, and I was looking for a pullback in EG back towards the breakout line around 71.5. That looks in gear. And there were some people taking advantage of 54 strength. So this is what I would key on. I think there's a possibility that even if the euro takes out these lows, so here's the pound lows, same time frame, and the euro lows right here, that there's potential that the pound does not take out these lows and trades back down towards 2.5, 52 even. So there could be, this could be a nice market tell down here with the euro making a new low. I do not expect the pound to make a new low. So you can probably key off of when the right time to buy the euro is after we see a pullback back down into this level in pound dollar. So looking for a last gas rally in the dollar, pullback in the pound, one more flush out in euro. And while that's going on, the yen should continue to make hay. This is something else I've been talking about, although I do believe that the flash crash low in the yen is going to be taken out eventually. I did point out that if I was right about a recovery in equities, once all the hedgies got off their yachts and came back to work, they generate a rally. So they could get out of their stocks that cratered and establish short positions. So looking for the yen to continue to recover. Potentially we get up towards this 122 level, 2240 level, and not make new highs, and this could end up being a very good shorting opportunity. So euro makes a new low down under 110. expecting further strength in the US dollar again for a very good shorting opportunity. If Canada's ever going to get it going to make new highs above here, I think it has to do it in the next 3 to 4 days as the dollar strengthens. Under 131.80, there's a different count happening. Still expect one more thrust in USD CAD. Adam Button will be joining us today. Adam is a Top Gun. We'll be talking about the September seasonals. So look forward to collaborating with everyone in the room. Good hunting, and remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings.